Hey, this is Richie Dotson, struggling with my hands. What do we have here? Well, it do look like a bow tie. Actually, this is what year was it? 2003 Robin Smith, kind of a fantasy piece. It's got an engraved tension hoop, armrest, tailpiece, and look at this flamage going on here with this maple. My gosh, this is pretty. It plays really well. It's got a 12-inch radius neck. It's got one of our 12-inch true radius bridges on it. It's got a fresh setup head, and everything is 100% on this. If I didn't lay my picks down, you'd be able to hear some more of it. This is for sale, and you can go check it out at www.banjomart.com, and we'll have all the pictures and all the description and everything you could ever want to know. Give us a call in the shop via the web page, and I hope you have a great one. And this would make somebody a really extra special banjo from a luthier who sadly passed too soon. Great, great banjo, my gosh. Give us a call in the shop. Visit us at acousticbox.com. BanjoMart.com. Remember, this is Richie Dotson with Acoustic Box LLC in Hopewell, Virginia. Thank you for watching. If you like these videos, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment if you like, and subscribe if you want to see what we may have for sale or what we're working on, because we've got a lot of neat stuff perpetually now. So thank you again for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.